Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 74 Bronco. Runs good. Wipers are in op. Blower is in op. Radio is missing, of course. Horn, the little plastic thing on the horn part is broke, so I don't know if that's serviceable or not. Blinker works to the left. The indicator might be out on that. Temp gauge does not work, gas gauge does not work. This is a dual tank oil pressure gauge works. We'll turn the lights on. So the blinker to the right is working also, just the indicator. There's your headlight. Runs really good. It's had a new radiator. New alternator, new regulator. Looks like the carb's had some work done to it. Some new brake lines. We put a new U-joint in the steering shaft. I would say if you use the steering sector, if you watch my driving video, it's really free. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So, good project Bronco, or drive as you may. With a little work, just the way it is. See, you can just, that steering wheel just turns like hardly anything. So, I'm guessing the sector just doesn't have any resistance in it. So, any questions? 605-695-7391.